Take a look at these tiny hatchlings you're seeing here. These are the maggots we have produced from the black soldier flies, and all of these maggots we have produced here, we only produce them by collecting eggs from this section you're seeing here and then getting to hatch them and produce maggots like this. So I'll take you into the section because this crate becomes too little when these eggs finish hatching. It becomes too little to culture all of these maggots. So I'll take you into the section. You will be spreading all of these maggots to grow them into bigger sizes and begin to use them as an alternative livestock feed. So let's go into the larvarium section. Let's go into one of the larvarium sections so they get to see this for themselves, right? So, come in. So now, all of these empty ponds you see here, this is where we'll get to spread all of these neonates. We'll spread them like this, but before we spread them, this is what we'll do. We'll introduce their substrate, show them this substrate. You see, this is how we introduce their substrate in ponds. By the time we spread this in ponds like this, we'll now introduce this maggots you're seeing here. Show them this maggots. We introduce these tiny maggots you're seeing here on top of this substrate so that they can start feeding. They can feed and then grow into bigger sizes. We'll start separating them with a manual sieve. Let me show you what the manual sieve look like. Here, show them this. This is what the manual sieve look like, but this one has gone bad and we still have other ones here. Show them these ones. We'll start using this manual sieve to separate these maggots from this substrate and then use it to feed into our livestock. So the next thing we'll do at this point now, we introduce these neonates on top of this substrate you're seeing here. So they can begin with the waste conversion process. It is that simple. So if you're watching this video, you have to understand that you need waste and you need space like this for you to get started with this strategy. So if you like to get started, if you like to learn more about black soldier fly maggot farming, share this video and drop a comment below now to get started. You're welcome.